I'm going to destroy a CD this time. Let's see, in the microwave. I'm going to destroy it in the microwave. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to walk in here and put it on for a minute. Here's my microwave. So oh, it's sort of destroying. Oh, there it goes. There's the CD, completely destroyed. It's kind of nice. Little destruction of a CD right there. I'm going to throw it in the trash. Destroyed CD. Oh. But that was my video on me destroying a CD, so hope you like it. Rate it, please.